Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making chicken gravy. So I just added some seasoned salt and pepper and some seasonings that I usually store in a bowl for myself, like paprika, fresh black pepper, lemon pepper from like JJ's or somewhere. That's celery, parsley, purple onion, and a clove of garlic, and it's huge, so you might need to add two if yours are smaller. And the juice of a half a lemon. Just stir that on in there. You don't have to pre-cook this first. It's on the stove, but I'm not cooking it. Then you're going to add 2 cups of water. And for the celery and parsley, probably add I'd say like 5 stalks, stalk included, of the celery and not the celery, but the parsley and the cilantro. So go ahead and get your thighs that you had marinating over there, or whatever chicken that you have. Now you want to go under there and put some of those vegetables on the top of the chicken. And as I was doing this, I did take some of the seasoning off. So I'm going to go back over this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Seasoned salt and pepper, rather. And not too much, because you don't want this to be salty, because since we're making gravy and you're going to need some more of that. And then make sure you have unsalted butter. Take off from the salt where you can. Sometimes I like to do it with sea salt, like pink Himalayan. Try to crush it down a little bit and put it in there as well. And a little bit goes a long way with the sea salt, so sometimes I don't like using that. Just cover it with aluminum foil. Put it on 400 degrees and stick it in the oven. No holes needed to be poked inside of there either. So here I'm just checking to see if it's breaking apart, and it's not, as you can see, but it is browning. So this time leave the aluminum foil off. Put it back in there. Okay, now it's done. So we're going to take that juice, put it in a bowl of flour. I used a cup of flour. I would say for this many thighs, I should have used only a half a cup. And you just stir it in with that juice. And since it was hard for me to hold the camera and complete that, I went on and did it off camera. And here's the finished product. Leave it about 45 minutes and enjoy. Thank you for watching.